Hey, what's going on, guys? Sadistic Picker here, and it's been a couple weeks since I've got to make a video. I've done some security pins, farted around a little bit here and there, but the fucking pain that I've been getting in my back and leg, well, and foot, has been just so fucking seriously intense. You can't even think, especially when you're only getting 2-3 hours of sleep at a time. Um, let's just say I've been ran ragged here last 2 weeks. But we got coffee. Oh yeah, Java. We got some padlocks here. Waited for these padlocks for 4 months. Was told 6 different times that they were on their way. And well, by God, they finally made it. So I didn't get burned by the guy. It just took him a long ass time to get him here. But I, out of all people, know how things fucking go. As much as hard as the guy tries, it just doesn't happen. Anyway, enough. Let's get this shit going. Okay. Start in front. One feels like nothing. Let's see. Two. I ain't even got tension on that, and 2 ain't going down. I mean, barely any tension. I ain't even got any tension on it. It's not even in there, and still, holy shit. Sorry. Oh, fuck, that's funny. Alright, we're gonna start back here. 5 went down, good core movement. Let's see, 4. 4 went down with good core movement. Nothing for 3. 2, little core movement. And let's try 1. And 1 with good core movement. Let's work back on 2. And 2 with good core movement. 2 is still stiff here. Come on. Alright, we're gonna try to bounce this fucker. I don't know, it's up and it's stiff. Oh shit, that was it. And there we go. 1 down. Let's try this one. These have security pins in them too. Good. At least have spools in it. Let's try and start in the back. Nothing for 5. I can even feel the pin. Little core movement on 4 there. Join AMAC for the advocacy, benefits, and information. But most importantly, join because America needs you. Join today at amac.us/Beck, amac.us/Beck. It's amac.us. Holy cow, let's bounce that. Oh, there we go. Use the promo code GLEN20 to get 20% off Blaze merch at shop.blazemedia.com. Alright, we're going to try this again. Let's try pin 1. Nothing on 1, let's try 2. I guess something on 2, let's try 4. Way overset that. Okay, let's start in front then. Nothing for 1. Nothing for 2. Nothing for 3. Click on 3, click on 4.
It's time to find your next Chevy truck.
Click on 5.
Forge ahead. Take on new challenges and take it to the next level. It's the perfect time to do more in your next Chevy. Find new possibilities, find new roads. Very well qualified buyers can get 2.49% financing and $1,750 total value on this Silverado All-Star Z71 Plus. Unlock your code. $100 Chevy Cyber Cash on most Silverado 1500 crew cab pickups.
Today we're surprising JD. She's a teacher. She's experiencing trouble in tenfold.
There we go. And number 2 is down. Let's see how much time we got on this. Oh, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, well, I got 2 open in 5 minutes. I don't want to keep you guys here all day. Hey, gobble gobble. Happy Turkey Day. Hit the like button, hit the comment, make a comment, and share. I appreciate it, guys.